Welcome to my channel, Amazing Kids. Biology helps you learn about living things like plants, animals, and cells. It's a fun way to discover new facts and understand the world around you. There are 15 questions to answer, and you have 5 seconds to answer them. Let's begin the quiz. 1. What is the basic unit of life? A. Cell, B. Atom, C. Tissue, or D. Organ? The answer is A, cell. Cells are the smallest structural and functional unit of life in all living organisms. 2. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A, chloroplast, B, nucleus, C, mitochondria, or D, ribosome? The answer is C, mitochondria. Mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP, essential for cellular functions. 3. What do plants primarily use for photosynthesis? A. Water. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. Or D. Light. The answer is D. Light. Light is the energy source plants use to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. 4. Which organ in humans filters blood? A. Liver. B. Heart. C. Kidney. Or D. Lungs? The answer is C, kidneys. Kidneys filter waste and excess substances from the blood to form urine. 5. What is the process by which plants make food? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Fermentation. Or D. Transpiration. The answer is B. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis allows plants to convert light energy into chemical energy stored in glucose. 6. Which molecule carries genetic information? A. RNA, B. Protein, C. DNA, or D. Lipid? The answer is C. DNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, contains the genetic instructions for development and function. 7. What is the primary gas taken in by plants? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Oxygen, or D. Hydrogen? The answer is A. Carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to produce glucose and oxygen. 8. Which blood cells fight infections? A. Red blood cells, B. Plasma C, platelets, or D. White blood cells? The answer is D. White blood cells. White blood cells, leukocytes, are responsible for protecting the body against infections. 9. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Liver, B. Skin, C. Brain, or D. Lungs? The answer is B. Skin. The skin is the largest organ, protecting the body and regulating temperature. 10. What is the primary component of cell membranes? A. Protein. B. Carbohydrate. C. Lipid. Or D. Nucleic acid? The answer is C. Lipids. Lipids, phospholipids, form the bilayer structure of cell membranes. 11. What is the main function of roots in plants? A. Photosynthesis. B. Seed production. C. Gas exchange. Or D. Water absorption? The answer is D. Water absorption. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and anchor the plant in place. 12th. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Golgi apparatus. Or D. Mitochondria? The answer is B. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are cellular structures that translate mRNA into proteins. 13. What is the term for animals that eat only plants? A. Herbivores. B. Carnivores. C. Omnivores. Or D. Scavengers? The answer is A. Herbivores. Herbivores are animals that feed exclusively on plant material. 14. What pigment gives plants their green color? A. Chlorophyll. B. Hemoglobin. C. Melanin, or D. Keratin? The answer is A. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment in chloroplasts responsible for the green color in plants. 15. What is the process of water loss from plants? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Transpiration. Or D. Osmosis? The answer is C. Transpiration. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from plant surfaces, mainly through leaves. Thanks for watching Amazing Kids. I hope you learned something fun about biology today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.